Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring an important piece of any IoT setup, the SIM card. With so many choices, how do you pick the best one for your IoT devices? Let's find out. Before we jump in, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Now let's break down your SIM options. There are three main types to consider: single carrier SIMs, roaming SIMs, and multi-carrier SIMs. Single carrier SIMs connect your device to only one network, which can be fine for localized deployments. However, if your IoT devices move or operate in different regions, you might encounter coverage gaps. Roaming SIMs offer more flexibility by connecting to other networks when your primary one is unavailable. The downside? These often come with higher costs, especially if you're operating across international borders. Finally, we have multi-carrier SIMs, also known as multi-IMSI SIMs. These SIMs can access multiple networks and switch automatically to the best available one, without the extra costs of roaming. You get the flexibility and reliability of seamless network transitions, making them ideal for global IoT deployments. So, what exactly is a multi-carrier SIM? Unlike single-carrier SIMs, which tie your device to one carrier, multi-carrier SIMs can switch networks. If one network fails, your device hops onto another, ensuring that your IoT devices maintain uninterrupted connectivity. Industries like logistics, agriculture, and smart cities benefit immensely from multi-carrier SIMs. They ensure continuous operation by connecting to the strongest network available, whether that's 4G, 5G, or even satellite. First, uninterrupted connectivity. Multi-carrier SIMs switch to the strongest available network, keeping you connected, whether you're in the middle of a bustling city or a remote, off-the-grid location. Next, global coverage. Multi-carrier SIMs provide reliable connectivity across countries, which is especially valuable for businesses that operate internationally. Cost efficiency is another big benefit. Instead of managing multiple contracts with different carriers, a multi-carrier SIM connects to many networks. This reduces costs and simplifies management, especially for large IoT fleets. Finally, remote management. Many multi-carrier SIMs offer a central platform where you can manage connectivity, track data usage, and troubleshoot issues, ideal for large-scale deployments or when your devices are spread out across multiple locations. So, how do you choose the right multi-carrier SIM for your business? Start by looking at the network compatibility. Ensure the SIM supports the networks and technologies you need. Next, consider scalability. How easy is it to add more SIMs as your deployment grows? Data plans are also key. Find one that matches your usage patterns. Some multi-carrier SIMs offer flexible plans based on your data needs, which can be perfect for businesses with fluctuating data requirements. Finally, make sure it offers remote management features so you can easily monitor and adjust your devices from anywhere. The future of IoT is all about flexibility and scalability, and multi-carrier SIMs are key to achieving that. Whether you're in a city or operating across the globe, the right SIM ensures your devices stay connected, helping your business thrive.
Think SIM cards are just for phones? Think again. From vending machines to drones, SIM cards and eSIMs are powering devices you use every day, often without you even realizing it. Stick around because some of these will surprise you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. Before we dive in, here's a quick refresher. A SIM card, subscriber identity module, lets a device connect to a cellular network. An eSIM does the same thing, but it's digital and built into the device. No physical card needed. Now, let's check out some of the most unexpected devices that rely on SIM cards and eSIMs. Security cameras and alarm systems. Ever wonder how security cameras stay online even when Wi-Fi goes down? Many use SIM cards so they can keep streaming even during an outage. GPS trackers. If you've lost your pet, a GPS tracker with a SIM card can send real-time location updates to your phone. Same with car trackers used for security and fleet management. Drones with live streaming. Professional drones don't just rely on Wi-Fi. Many have SIM cards which let them transmit live video, update maps, and even receive remote commands. Self-checkout and mobile POS systems. Ever paid with a card at a pop-up shop or food truck? Those mobile point-of-sales devices use SIM cards to process transactions anywhere. Connected cars and smart dash cams. Newer cars come with built-in SIMs for navigation, emergency calls, and remote diagnostics. Even dash cams now use SIM cards to upload footage instantly after an accident. Wearable medical devices. Wearable health monitors and medical alert systems use SIMs to send real-time vitals to doctors, helping detect emergencies before they happen. Smart farming and precision agriculture. Farming is getting smarter. IoT sensors with SIM cards track soil moisture, weather patterns, and crop health, helping farmers make data-driven decisions. ATMs and smart vending machines. ATMs use SIM cards to stay connected even in remote locations. And modern vending machines use SIMs to track inventory, enable cashless payments, and even request restocks automatically. Smart meters for utilities. Utility companies use SIM-connected smart meters to track electricity, water, and gas usage in real time, helping reduce waste and cut costs. Interactive digital signage and kiosks. Airport check-in kiosks and digital billboards that updates automatically are often connected via SIM cards for real-time updates and secure transactions. SIM cards and eSIMs are powering more than just phones. They're driving the future of IoT, smart cities, and everyday tech. And as 5G expands, even more devices will go wireless. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about what devices can be powered by SIM cards, check out our website. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos from us. Thanks for watching.